Hello, my name is Rohit, and in today's video, we would cover some basic programming questions related to Python loops and conditions. These questions would help you in developing your problem solving skills. Let's get started. Now let's try to solve three simple questions using Python loops and conditions. So our first question is, given a list with following numbers, write a program to print numbers which are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. So basically we want to identify numbers which if divided by 3 the remainder would be 0, but if divided by 2 the remainder won't be 0. Now how to find whether certain number is divisible or not? So for that you can use a percent operator. So for example, if you want to check whether 10 is divisible by 5 or not, if you do 10% 5 and run this, you would get remainder as 0. But if you want to check, say, if 10 is divisible by 4 or not, and if you do 10% 4 and run this, you would get remainder as 2. So basically 10 is not divisible by 4, but 10 is divisible by 5. So this is how we can use percent operator. Now let's try to solve the problem which we have. Let's create a new cell. Let's write a for loop on the list for number in data colon, and let's use if condition. If number %3 is equal to 0 and number %2 is not equal to 0, because we want number to be not divisible by 2. So we have put both the conditions. Again, don't miss out colon over here. And then we want to print the numbers which match this condition, right? So print number is and the actual number. So let's first get the list and then we'll run this. So the numbers that we are getting which are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2 are 3, 9 and 15. So for remaining numbers, the condition is not satisfied. So for example, number 18, this is divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 2 as well. That's why it was not printed. So it seems we are able to correctly solve this particular problem using a for loop and the if condition in Python. Now let's move on to the next problem which we have. So now our second question is, print all the even numbers between 10 to 50 including both the numbers, except the numbers divisible by 5. Okay. So we have to print all the numbers starting from 10 to 50. But in that, we should print only the even numbers and we have to skip the numbers which are divisible by 5. So let's start. So let's initiate I equal to 10. So we can solve this using a while loop. So while I less than equal to 50, because we want to go from 10 to 50. Now let's write a condition. So the number is even when it is divisible by 2. So if number, if we divide it by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is an even number. And the second condition that we want to put here, that the number shouldn't be divisible by 5, right? Because we want to print everything except the numbers divisible by 5. So, and I %5 should not be equal to 0, because if it is equal to 0, then we don't want to print it. Now let's try this. Let's see what happens. And print number okay, and we will have to keep incrementing the I. So I is equal to I plus 1. Because we have started with I equal to 10 and we have to go up to 50. So you can see here we have started from 10, but 10 is divisible by 5, so we won't print it. Then 11 is not a even number, so it is not getting printed. Then we come to 12. So after 12, next even number is 14, then 16, then 18, then 20 is also even number, but it is divisible by 5. That's why we are not printing it. Then we go to 22, and that's how we are covering all the numbers up to 50. So 50 is not getting printed because it is divisible by 5. So this is how we are able to solve this problem using a while loop. So our next question is, print the grade for the marks scored by students given in following list. So if the students are scoring 70 or more marks, then we want to give A grade. If the score is between 50 to 70, then we want to give B grade. And if the score is 50 or less, then we want to give C grade. And these are the marks scored by students. Now let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so let's write for marks in data. If marks greater than or equal to 70. So here the condition is 70 or more. So we are using greater than or equal to. Then we want to print. So let's print original marks and the grade. So it's grade A over here. Let's try to copy this for faster typing. Now the second condition, if the marks are between 50 to 70, then we want to give B grade. So let's use elif. So if the marks are between 50 to 70, then we want to give B grade. And if the marks are 50 or less, then we want to give C grade. So if marks are less than or equal to 50, then we want to give grade C. And let's use elif again. Now let's try to run this. So 88 we are getting grade A, 49 grade C. Then for 50 we are getting grade C because the requirement is 50 or less should be given a C grade. Then 70 grade A because 70 or more is a grade. So we are able to give grades correctly using this particular logic. So we are able to solve this problem as well. Now with respect to these conditions, at the end you can either use elif or you can use else as well. So it's up to you which condition you want to use. Okay. So this is how we are using Python loops and conditions, and using that we were able to solve 3 problems today. That's it for today. Now go ahead and start practicing more problem statements related to loops and conditions. That's the only way in which you can gain confidence in solving problems using Python. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. Keep coding in Python and keep learning. See you in the next video.